Ibrahima from Guinea.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Allah bless your family and your team.
And you as well.
Yeah, there is an Islamic conference coming that is being organized by a friend of mine who had asked for my help. So I was helping him doing that. It is about the hijab. The problem is at some point he decided to insert a woman like a Quran competition. So I told him that no, this is not permissible. Unfortunately, he asked the people of knowledge here, and they all told him that it was permissible, no problem with that. Even one in front of me, actually. So the real problem is now I want to ask, if I help him, but not in the Quran competition, but in everything else, am I sinful for that? Should I just refrain completely 100% as I am trying to do right now?
This is something that is up to your own judgment. You see, Allah Azza wa Jal, when He spoke about gambling and intoxicants in the Quran, He said, they ask you about intoxicants, wine, and gambling. Say, there is great deal of sin and some benefits. However, the sins outweigh the benefits. This is a rule in Islam. The pros and cons, whatever weighs, then it takes the ruling. If you believe that this conference is beneficial for the ummah, and that there will be a lot of good speakers, good topics. It's all according to Ahl Sunnah wal Jama'ah and according to the most authentic opinion, and that you evaluate it to be 90% success and 10% for the girls' Quran competition, which is a minus. In this case, you can go for it. If it's 50-50, then stay away from it. If it's less, then definitely it's a deviant event you should stay away from, and Allah knows best.